Alright guys, so we're back with another video. We're going to implement a join command. So inside the music folder, we're going to go ahead and create a new file called join.js. And we want to just follow the same structure as our other commands. So we need to always import base command. Okay, so that's very, very simple. We're going to import from utils, structures, base command. And then we're going to go ahead and create a new class. And we'll just call this join command, extends base command. In the constructor, we're going to have to invoke the superclass's constructor. Remember, the superclass is the base command class. We're inheriting all of the fields and methods. And we're just going to pass in join for the command name. For the category, we'll do music, and then aliases, we'll leave that alone. We haven't gotten to that part yet. Okay, so we're just going to implement the standard function, the run function for all of our commands. This is the function that is executed whenever the command is being invoked. Okay, so we need to check to see if the member that is using that command is in the voice channel. So to do that, we need to reference the voice state property that is on the guild member object. So we're going to go ahead and do const channel. Okay, and now this is called object destructuring because message.member.voice, the voice state, remember the voice state has a property called channel. We're destructuring the channel object from voice. And we're going to go and say if channel, we're going to go ahead and spawn a new music player. Okay, so before I even do anything else, let's just go ahead and log this in the channel. And if they're not in the channel, we're just going to say message.channel.send, please join a voice channel. All right, so let's get our bot all set up. The nice thing about this whole thing is if our bot restarts, we don't have to ever restart the Lava Link server. Okay, so watch this. If I go ahead and do join. Oh, okay, so I forgot what my prefix is, but it's join. So see, look, please join a voice channel. Okay, now if I join music and if I do the command, it's going to say in the channel. Okay, so from here, what we want to do is if they're in the channel, then we're going to have the bot join the channel. So to get the bot to join the channel, all we need to do is reference the Arela client's players property and then call .spawn. So if we go to the documentation, you can see that right over here, they have a simple example, and all they're doing over here is they're spawning a player. When you spawn the music player, it's going to join the voice channel that you specify over here. So we can just honestly just copy this whole thing, and we can just paste it here. Okay, so const player, so this, remember, this is the music player. We have client.music, so the client.music, remember, is our Arela client, and then we're referencing the player's property on that client, and then we're calling the spawn method, and we pass in the guild that this player is for, the voice channel that this player is for, and the text channel that this player is for. And yeah, so that's pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and create a new map, and I'm going to go ahead and call it, let's see, client.music players is equal to new map. So I want to actually keep track of all of the music players just in case we might need it later on. So I'm going to create a new map, and inside here, whenever a player is spawned, we're going to go ahead and do clients.musicplayers.set message.guild.id and then set the ID of the guild to the player for this client.musicplayers map. So if I log client music players to console, okay, let's try this now. Voice channel is not defined. Oh, we have an error. Oh, it should be channel. Okay, there we go. And see how it's joining the channel. And if we look at the map over here, we have our player, right? The guild ID maps to one player. And we might need this later on. We might need to reference certain properties of the player. So that's why I'm keeping track of it. Because every guild should only have one player being spawned. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. That's the join command. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to get the bot to actually play music. Okay, so I'll see you guys in that video. Peace. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the join command. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to implement the play command. Okay, so we're going to have it so that the user can play an actual URL or play a song or just type in the search, and then you'll start to understand how powerful Lava Link and the Arela client is. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.